I
You're all
think,
dressed up. Were you out somewhere?
yeah, after the session, I will
Have to
go.
go out. Nice. Okay. So I'm assuming you have friends.
Yeah, I have.
I love how you're like, yeah, obviously I have. Okay. Today we're going to talk about food.
Yeah,
So, Miss Dietitian, please tell me, what are your views on food?
dietitian.
I
I'm
mean,
not dietitian.
fitness expert, right? You're an aspiring fitness expert.
No, I'm not a fitness expert. I'm still learning.
That's why I said aspiring. That means you're
Okay.
aspiring to be a fitness expert. So tell me
Uh,
five myths, five or three. How many of a myths that people have about diet?
okay. 5 myths. That
I mean,
first, they think that dieting is you eat less. If you want to lose weight, then you should eat less. But that's not.
it's the opposite actually.
What
Because
should
if
I
you eat
say?
less, if you
That's
eat less,
opposite.
your body thinks the
Yeah,
metabolism has to be slow, and then they store
yeah,
fat and all that.
yeah,
Anything else you can
yeah.
remember?
And uh, apart from that, I would say you can cheat also once in a month.
On your
You
food,
can
yes.
have, yes. Okay. Mm, what else? Okay. पता नहीं. Okay.
Wow.
I just love.
Seriously, man.
No, I want
So
to say more, but
blatantly. No, so blatantly you said that Hindi sentence. You said pata
okay,
nahi.
sorry.
I'm not supposed to say that.
Yeah, I know. Um,
You want to talk about
you
something
should
else?
eat, no. You should eat more protein.
Hmm.
And if you're eating if your weight, for example, if your weight is 60, then at least 60 gram of protein you should take, and double the calories.
Okay.
No, if you're losing weight, then you won't increase your calories. Your protein intake should be more, and calories should be less.
Hmm.
And that's
That's
it.
good. I'm actually, it feels like I'm testing you on how to be a trainer. Feels like a
I'm,
Instagram fitness trainer exam. You have to pass this exam to open an Instagram account.
yeah,
Nice. Okay. So let's talk about food. What is your favorite type of cuisine?
South Indian. I love South Indian.
Wow. Spicy South
Yeah,
Indian or bland South Indian?
both. वैसे I love spicy more than the simple one. And I also like street foods.
You like
Yeah,
sweets?
sweets, not sweet, but apart from sweet, street food.
I'm going to write all the Hindi words that you're using today. Matlab and everything. I'm going to frame
Okay.
it. I'm going to frame it in my room. Arohi doesn't listen.
Okay, I will try not to speak in Hindi
You're not even speaking in Hindi. You're just shoving Hindi words in an English sentence. I don't know why.
because I'm used to it.
Okay, okay, no problem. No, I'm not. I won't grill you about it. Just try to remember that. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. What about cooking? Can you cook?
Yeah, I can cook. I'm not a great cook, but yeah.
Okay, then I should ask you the most important question. Are your rotis round?
Yeah.
Okay. Then your mom is happy. Cool.
I love
Nice.
cooking mostly sweets.
Sweet dishes.
I like to cook sweet dishes. Yeah.
Nice. What kind of sweet dishes?
Pancakes or
Pancake is not a sweet dish. Pancake is
yeah, it
more
is.
like, I mean, like pancake itself is not a sweet dish. It becomes a sweet dish if you put maple syrup or, jam or like any
Yeah.
sort of syrup on it, then it becomes a sweet dish, right? Otherwise, I think mainly it's a breakfast item.
Oh, I thought it is a sweet dish.
I mean, we Indians have a different take on every food item. Pancake, I think
Yeah.
originally, at least in the US, it's a breakfast item. Then again, it's like a guilty pleasure. So whenever people want, they cheat and then they eat it at night or in the morning, in the evening, sorry. Right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. What about your favorite restaurant?
I don't have any favorite restaurant. Uh, yeah, I like more home food,
Like home cooked food.
home cooked food.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
that's nice. You live with your parents?
Yeah. Currently, I'm living with my parents.
Nice, nice.
Before the pandemic, I think I was living alone.
You think you were living alone. You're not sure.
No, so sorry. I was living alone.
Okay, you were living alone. Okay. Just confirming. I want to make sure you remember.
Yeah.
I think I rag you too much, na? Sometimes I pull your leg too
It's
much.
okay, Coin.
Yeah. I'll write that also down. Going nice. Okay. What about, just tell me something about food. I'm very interested to know what your opinion is, like what do you think about food?
I prefer healthy food, non-oily food. Although I love spicy food, which is a rare combination
I mean,
because
no, spicy
if it
doesn't
is,
always have to be oily.
but mostly it spicy and oily combination is quite famous. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Remind me, you're veg, right?
yeah, I'm vegetarian.
Right. Veg. Nice. So then spicy options go down even more because you can't even have like spicy chicken or like spicy. I don't know anything about non-veg, so I don't know.
Me either. I haven't tried any non-vegetarian food. Just matlab, uh, few uh, few few years back, I had uh, eggs and all. Matlab, I have tasted egg. Apart from egg, I haven't tasted any non-vegetarian food, so I have no idea.
Okay. So now this is a controversial statement, but do you really think eggs
Okay.
are non-veg?
Uh, I don't
This is
know.
a conversation I have with all my Jain friends. Like, how is
Okay.
egg non-veg?
I don't know. It is
Well,
included in non-vegetarian, I think.
I'm not asking you about the listing. I'm asking you about the characteristics of food. Okay. Now, is a leaf non-veg?
Okay. Hmm.
Yes
Yeah.
or no? Is a leaf non-veg?
Yeah. No, obviously not.
Is a fruit non-veg?
No.
Okay. Is are eggs non-veg?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. I'm not saying, I'm not arguing with you. They are non-veg. I
Okay.
agree.
Yes.
But I'm asking you why. This is my very controversial statement. I don't think eggs are non-veg because they are not alive. They never were, right? So there are two types of eggs. If you know this, there's an unfertilized egg and there's a fertilized egg in chicken,
Yeah.
right? And we can't eat the fertilized eggs because they are alive, like they become chicks, right?
Yeah.
So we're having the unfertilized egg. So how is that non-veg? It's a byproduct of an animal. I understand that, but then fruits and vegetables are also byproducts of living things. Did
I
you think
think
about that?
it I I have think about that. I had think about that. Uh, I think whenever people ask me, are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? I always tell them that I'm vegetarian.
Vegetarian, yes.
Yeah.
So that counts.
So
That's good. But I still think that eggs Eggs should be
Are
veg, I personally think.
veg. Yeah, but it is not, I think.
It is not, yes. As people from my community and my family have strongly suggested they have strongly gone against my controversial statement and said, no, you're not going to have eggs.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, ROE, should I come back to your mistakes now?
Yeah.
Okay. You said few years back. How do we correct that
Okay.
sentence?
Years back. Few years ago.
Yes. Perfect.
No.
Yes. Yes. That's good.
Okay.
Okay. Um, I haven't tasted. I haven't tasted
Okay.
chicken. How do you correct that sentence?
I haven't eaten.
That is also one way to say it. There's another way to say it.
I haven't. Okay. Can you repeat it? I didn't.
I haven't tasted chicken.
I haven't tasted chicken. Tasted.
Yes.
No.
Thank you. Yes. Because it's in the
Haven't
past
tasted.
tense, right? So I have never
Obviously.
tasted chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. Third and the final correction. I had think about it. I had think about that.
About that. I think about that.
When I asked you, do you think, when I said my controversial statement is that eggs are supposed to be veg, and you said yes, I
Yeah.
had think about that. It's the same mistake that you made in the second line. I haven't tasted. I had think about that.
So are you correcting me or are you saying
I
what
am
did?
asking you to correct that sentence.
Okay.
The sentence you said was, I had think about that. How do you correct
I
that
haven't
sentence?
think about that.
You had,
Okay.
but you have to correct the sentence. What you said, the sentence is correct, but okay, I'll just correct it. You hadn't
Okay.
thought about that.
Oh yeah.
So think is something you do right now. I'm thinking. She thinks. We think.
Present. Yeah.
Yes, it's present and present continuous when we say think, right?
Thought. Yeah.
Yeah. So now in this you say, I had thought about that, but I still think eggs are non-veg. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Can you say the word restaurant?
I thought I
You thought you would
I
get away
said
with it.
in a wrong.
Yeah.
No. Restaurant. Nahi. God. How do you pronounce that?
Okay. So see, I'm not grilling you. Please don't feel pressured or anything. I'm just trying to have a conversation with you. Okay.
Yeah.
You say restaurant.
Restaurant. Yeah.
It's a French word. That's why we have to say it like that. Okay. How we say
Okay.
croissant, not croissant, croissant, whatever
Okay.
they say. I don't know. It's croissant. See, the O and I in French is WA. Croissant.
Okay.
Okay, so it becomes KWASON. Croissant. Can you say it?
No, I can't.
No. Okay, can you say restaurant?
Again.
One thing, just Google it, and whatever the pronunciation is there, try repeating it 10 times.
Okay.
Maybe that way you won't be conscious that I'll make